What's up, guys? It is Sam here, and it is 8/1, meaning it's August 1st. I should have an earnings update video coming out later this week or early next week, so make sure you press that subscribe button if you want to see that. But in this video, I wanted to talk about the results so far this week in my portfolio, as well as the positions that I have open for this week. So now, with that being said, let's get into it. So far this week, by the way, if this is your first time here, what's up? I'm Sam, and if you're returning, it's good to frickin' see you. So this past week, I mainly trade options, but this past week, I lost around $800. Most of it was paper, or most of it was unrealized losses. So this week, which is today's Thursday, so the week actually started trading on the 29th. I started the week on the 29th at $5,750, and I'll show you right here, 9:30 on July 29th. So if you come over here, July 29th is Monday. So that was my portfolio value. As you can see, going up, we had a spike right here. So in regards to that spike, sometimes there's weird anomaly type behavior in the market that is not explainable. Around 245, 250. Most of pretty much all the stocks that I'm on my watch list right now, or the ones that I own. So I own Tesla, Facebook, and Lyft. And I'm following Amazon, Netflix, T-Mobile, Facebook, Square, PayPal, and Walmart. And all of them had a strange dip in their price. Around 245, all of them just dropped. Not sure why. Something like what that would happen, but it's interesting to see that kind of thing happen in the market, especially if you don't see any news coming out, because if you can catch some of those strange dips in the market and put position on during those times, it doesn't happen often, but if you can catch some of those, they're like immediately profitable, which is nice about those positions. So what happens is the price drops drastically, volatility increases. You can sell your option. With a much higher premium because everybody's rushing to the bottom half of the market. And 10 minutes later, the prices come up by like 0.5% or 1%, and you're already profitable. And by the next day, when it evens out, sometimes you can even close out those positions. Anyways, I mentioned Lyft. If you've been following the channel, you know that would be a new position. I have 2 shares of Lyft. They actually came through a referral. So I use Robinhood, which is a free online brokerage platform. I use it because it's free. I've had used multiple different platforms over the years, and they cost money. And I don't see any point in paying those to trade. $5, $7, $8 to trade. It just doesn't make any sense to me. Especially to trading options. It just makes it so much more expensive to trade options if you have to pay. So I use Robinhood. There's a link in the description. If you use the link in the description, you get a free share of stock. You don't have to, just if you do. I get a free share of stock too. So yesterday, I guess they had some type of promotion where I got 2 shares. Maybe it was like my 4th one because my girlfriend did it, and I think my brother did it as well. So that 3rd one gives you an additional referral or something. Normally, you don't get $120 worth of referrals for the shares. It's like $5. But $124 from Lyft, which was awesome. And now, as of yesterday afternoon, or actually as of this morning, my current portfolio value is $6,173. So the portfolio value has recovered substantially, and there's 4 positions that are going to be closing this week, and I have a 5th position that will probably be closing this week or potentially rolling. So I'm just going to start at the top. I have a Tesla put credit spread below the market that jumped out of profitability when there was that spike yesterday afternoon. So I sold that. I sold one for, it's got a $5 spread between 232.50 and 227.50. So it's got a $5 spread. I sold that for $22. The next was two calls, Tesla credit spreads above the market. And I haven't done one of these in a couple of weeks, so if you guys are following you may have noticed that. But on Monday there was a pretty good upward movement in Tesla's price, just as I was mentioning. When you have the downward movement, the sentiment shifts in the market. So this I opened up on Monday when there was a big shift in Tesla's stock price to up, and I opened up two contracts. I received $25 per contract, so total premium collected was $50. Now to close out this position, I'll probably close this today. I don't see any point why I wouldn't. Current market value is $8, so I sold it for $50, and I can buy it back for $8. And I make $42 on this, so I'll probably try to buy this. It's probably going to drop immediately upon the market open to less, unless there's a big movement in Tesla's price. But more than likely, I'll probably be able to close this out at $5-6 or something. So like $2 to $3 per contract. The next one I opened up, this one as of the afternoon after 2:45. This one actually spiked in the price as well. This is a Netflix put credit spread, 312.50 to 307.50. So there's another $5 spread in this. Two contracts. I received $35 each, so total $70 of premium collected. It's currently trading at $92. It expires tomorrow, so I expect to see some interesting movement. Currently, Netflix is at $324. So if Netflix closes at $324, this is profitable, and we still have $10 worth of price action in the market to be profitable on that. So I expect that to go more profitable today, hopefully. The last one here we have is Amazon. This one we'll have to see. There's been some crazy moves in Amazon. This is the $1,835 to $1,827.50, so it's got a $7.50 spread. There's two contracts for a total premium of $50. I collected $50 of premium per contract for a total of $100. All these positions I just mentioned expire on 8/2, which is tomorrow. So currently, I sold that position for $100. Right, I received $100 of premium. Now, to close it out, it's worth $256, so I'm losing $156 on this position. The current price of Amazon is $18.76, so there's still $40 between myself and the current stock price, which gives me a little bit of cushion. However, Amazon moves pretty quickly, so $40 is not much. But we'll see how the market plays out today and see. Hopefully, I think that should, at least the losses be cut in half, especially if we just get kind of a stagnant trading day. And if Amazon finishes around 1870 or 1880, 1890 in that range, I expect to go from a negative of $156 down to close to zero on that one, if not starting to turn profitable. But we'll see what happens with the actual price movement today. The last position I have open is the Tesla put credit spread, 260 to 250. Currently I'm losing $384 on that. If Tesla needs to have a substantial rise between now and the 16th of August, so more than likely I might just try to close this one out at a loss, minimize the loss on there. But we'll see. Yesterday, I think Tesla got up near 249. So keeping an eye on the market, when it has some of those spikes up, maybe I can close it out and actually make it profitable, or roll it out further into the future, or roll it down. We're going to keep our eyes open for opportunity to be able to do that. If you guys have any questions at all, let me know down below in the comments, or reach out to me on Instagram. There's a link in the description. Reach out to Instagram and say what's up. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Peace.